This is a few days old now, but we do actually have an update from the John Force crash, which if you missed it, you're going to see it right here. And it's pretty scary when you think how fast these cars are actually going. Whether there's some disagreement, whatever you want to say, but if that car explodes, there is no engine braking, there is no nothing. So if he crossed the uh, start finish line at 300 miles an hour, he's pretty close to at least that or whatever when he slams into the wall. And you can debate that all you want. I don't care. It's scary to see something like that. But it did say, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but the first paragraph, 4 days after his crash at more than 300 miles per hour, drag racing champion John Force has moved from the trauma intensive care unit to the neuro intensive care unit, where his medical team can focus on his head injury, which is their primary concern. And then from there, it goes on to talk about, thanking sponsors and people. His, daughter's not going to race, and it sucks because obviously this is something that's like a family affair. He races, his daughter races. He's got people that race on a team with him, and it's a scary thing that something like this can happen. I mean, the speed that these people are going, the force that's under that engine, and like you got to say, these are very well designed cars. They are built for crashes like this because they have to be. They're, they are engineered to withstand this force. And you can see he did get up and move, so that's at least a good sign, at least from what I saw. But it's still scary that something split second, bam, engine explodes. You have no control over anything, no steering. I mean, well, actually, I don't know if these have power steering or not. Tell me in the comments below. I'm actually not sure about that. They might not to save weight, but still, the parachute isn't going to fire. You have no engine brake. It's pretty scary to think. And hopefully, he heals up well. And being in the 70s that he is, it's got to be worse now. But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think, and correct me if I'm wrong about the power steering thing or whatever. Comment down below. Tell the family, good luck. I'm not going to say prayers because I don't pray, so I'm not going to say that. But whatever it is, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. Helps me out, and I appreciate it. Peace.